There you go. Good man.
Yeah.
You got the idea.
See?
Good job.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. It's getting heavy, huh? Yeah. And put it in. Yeah.
He's got the idea.
You know what I'm doing today?
What's that?
A little bit of YouTube.
Ta-da! Is that getting heavy? Yeah, that's getting heavy, isn't it? Here. Here, if you take it. Here, take it and put it in here. Here. Okay, I'm sorry.
He can lift some pretty heavy stuff.
Stop.
Oh.
Cool. Next.
Over here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
So schwer. Nice work, little man. Yeah. Whoa. Nice work.
Yeah. Okay. Now, let's raise the basket.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Put that in your basket.
Where's your basket? Yeah.
Way over
Yeah,
there.
Yeah.
Yeah, get that one.
Yeah. Easy. Are there more? I see one corner there.
Are you stuck?
Hard.
There you go. Get off that rock. There, now you can go get it.
Yeah. They go. Yeah, they go in the basket too. Yeah, I don't understand it. They jumped out of the basket, I think.
Nice snot bubble.
I know. See your snot bubble.